Hi guys, did you know that those games you are playing on your mobile phone with your data can actually give you money? Like, you play these games and you get money and cash out real cash, like this lollipop, these crash games. All those games that you play on your Android phone can actually make you some amounts of cool money. I will show you guys evidence of how much I've withdrawn in naira. If you are in other countries, you can as well use other currencies like USDT. There are other currencies in different countries, and if you are familiar with Bitcoin, you can as well buy your coins to play with USDT. All right, so in this video I am going to show you this particular game and how to play it. If possible, if I'm allowed, time will allow me to show you guys how to play this particular game and the name of this particular game in question. If time does not allow me to show you guys how to play this game, I'll just mention the game name. If you're interested on the link, I'll put the link on the description below. Then you can tap on the link and register, then come back and watch one of my videos on how to play this game. Now, the name of this particular game is BC game. Yes, a lot of you might have been hearing about BC game, but the truth is that it gives money, and the good part of it is that when you play this game, I have a WhatsApp channel. I will create a new WhatsApp channel where I'll be dropping signals on when to play this game. I'm especially talking to Nigerians, but if you're in other countries, you might also check the Nigerian time in your country to follow and participate to play this game anytime I drop signal. Trust me, in 100% signal we are dropping, let me say 99% is a win. Only 1% might be lost, but it will be in a longer time. You know, game cannot be 100% winning rate, but the truth is that we win 99%. Your winning rate is more higher, and you cash out to your naira account. If you are in Nigeria, if you are using USDT, you cash out to your USDT account without no issues at all. So I am going to, as I told you, that this game's name for today I'm talking about is BC game. So, but if you go to your Chrome browser and you cannot find this, you cannot access it, I am going to drop a link on the description below. Just click on the link, it will take you to where you register. Just sign up, put your name, put your email or your phone number, normal registration. After registration, then if you don't know how to play the game, I'm still going to come back on this video to explain to you how to play this particular game. It's a win-win for everybody, and I have a particular game that I normally love to play so much, and the name of the game is Crash game on BC game. This game, it's a win-win. I also play other games on this particular app I'm telling you about. It have an app, it is a website, so if you like, you can download the app. If you like, you can click the link and just register through the website. But it is advisable to click and register through the website, because the website is always signal, like there is no issue on network. They don't have any network issues. Once you enter through their website through Chrome, you will not have any issues. But if you're entering through the app, you might get stuck on their network. Their network is always so busy. So I hope this video helped you. Please, if you start playing this game and you find this so useful, please don't forget to subscribe. Come back and thank me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video so that other people will learn, other people will hear about this good news. Okay, so guys, the good news I'm bringing to you guys today is a game that can fetch you thousands of naira. You can start playing this game with 200 naira, 1000 naira, depending on your greediness, but I prefer you playing with 200 naira, so that when you play with 200 naira, it depends on the rate you set it. If you set it at 2% rate, that means you are earning 100 naira on top. If you are playing with 2000 naira and you set it at 2% rate, you are earning 1000 naira. That is how the game works. So, and you withdraw straight to your bank account. This one is not corner. If you are in Nigeria, you withdraw to your bank account. So that's games you are playing on your phone for a long time, you are wasting your data and you are not earning nothing. You are going to start earning through playing your games. This particular one I'm telling you, this particular game I'm telling you, I've withdrawn like countless times. So just download the game or register through the link on the description below, so that when I come again to teach you guys how to play this particular game, all you need to do is to calm down and hold on for me while I make videos about how to play this game. If you can join the link, so fine, and join my WhatsApp group through this number you are seeing. You can chat me on WhatsApp, or I will also drop my WhatsApp group link in the description below, so that whenever I drop signal, you can be able to know the exact time you are going to play this game. I hope this video helps you. Give me a thumbs up and then come back for our next video.